In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Looker Studio report in just about 5 minutes. First things first, let's get the obvious out of the way. Why would you want to duplicate a Looker Studio report? Well, imagine you have crafted the perfect report, one that has just the right metrics, dimensions, and visualizations for your needs or your team's needs. But now you need to create a similar report, perhaps with slight modifications or for a different set of data or audience. Instead of starting from scratch, duplicating the existing report can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort. So, how do we go about this? It's actually simpler than you might think. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to https://lookerstudio.google.com/ this will take you to the Looker Studio homepage. For those not familiar with it, Looker Studio is Google's rebranded data studio, a powerful tool that allows you to visualize your data in a diverse array of reports and dashboards. Once the homepage has loaded, you'll want to click on the Home button. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's important to ensure you're starting from the right place, especially for those who might have been deep into another project or report. The next step involves logging into your Looker Studio account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address followed by your password. Make sure you're entering the details for the account that has the report you wish to duplicate. If you have multiple Google accounts, this can sometimes be a little tricky, so double check you're using the correct credentials. After successfully logging in, it's time to dive into the heart of Looker Studio. Look for a navigation option or a direct link that takes you to Looker Studio's reporting section. This might appear straightforward for regular users, but for newcomers, it's essential to navigate through the interface confidently. Now, locate the report you wish to duplicate. In our example, we're going to work with a marketing campaign report. However, your report might have a different name based on its purpose or the data it contains. Click on the report to open it. Once your report is open, the next step involves interacting directly with the data. Look for the dataset or component you're interested in duplicating. Data in Looker Studio can be visualized in various ways: tables, charts, graphs, etc. Depending on how you've set up your report, the critical part of duplication is coming up next. Look for a three-dot icon or a settings menu associated with the data component you're interested in. Clicking on this should reveal an option labeled Duplicate. As the name suggests, selecting this option will create a copy of the selected component. This function is incredibly useful for preserving the original settings and structure while allowing you to make any necessary adjustments or tweaks in the copy, and there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a component of your Looker Studio report. This process can be repeated for any other components or even for the entire report if needed. Duplicating entire reports is particularly handy for creating templates or for when similar reports need to be created across different datasets. A few additional tips to keep in mind. When duplicating reports or components, remember to rename the copies to avoid confusion. Also, if you're working with a team, it's a good practice to inform them about the duplicated reports to ensure everyone is on the same page. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently duplicate any part of your Looker Studio reports, saving you time and helping maintain consistency across your data visualizations. Whether you're reporting on marketing campaigns, sales data, or any other metrics, duplicating reports in Looker Studio is a skill that can significantly enhance your data management strategies. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stick around for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your data visualization tools.